So you're taking advantage of their kindness?
Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell.
It's disrespectful and disgraceful the way some people take advantage of people's kindness and they feel good doing it. Like, how do you feel good taking advantage of someone who's being kind to you? Like, how? When anytime someone is super kind to me, like, it honestly and truly touches me because you thought of me. You know what I mean? Like, someone being kind is someone really taking the time out to think of you and be nice. And so when someone takes advantage, when someone, the whole taking someone's kindness for weakness, like, I just think the whole thing is just disgusting and disgraceful because, as I stated, like, for someone to go out of their way to be kind, to help the next person, and you taking advantage of that, it's like, you're sick. Because why? Why would you do that? That's just nasty. That's just wrong. And people fail to realize that they be blocking their own blessings. They be out here thinking like, yeah, I'm getting over on them. No, you're not. Honestly, when you do good people wrong, you're hurting yourself because karma. I tell people what you put out is what you get. So when you take advantage of people and they being nice and sweet and you just taking advantage of them and you ha 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 and kikiing, all of that is going to come back and bite you right in your butt. And then you're going to be sitting there questioning, oh, why is this happening to me? Or when that person finally gets tired of you, when they open their eyes like, nah, they don't mean me well. They just taking advantage of me. And when they finally cut you off, you're going to be sitting there looking stupid. Like, oh, why they cut me off? Why me? Do better. When people are being kind, appreciate it. Show that you're grateful. Give gratitude. Thank them for being kind. Like, honestly, because it takes a lot for somebody to give kindness and for people to take advantage of that. It's just like, ew. Like, man, you're wrong. That's not cool. Man, when someone is doing such a nice, sweet, kind gesture, somebody helps you out and look out for you, you don't take advantage of that. Like, you show that person how you appreciate them. You don't sit there and take advantage of them and use them and use them and use them. That's wrong. But like I said, I'm such a firm believer in karma. I tell people I like to put out good for good to come back to me. So when you sit there and you're nasty, you taking advantage of people, guess what's going to come back to you? Bad. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notification. Y'all, I'm late. Like almost pretty much a week late. But sorry. And Merry Christmas. Until next time. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye, guys.